Discover why the healthiest people thrive on leafy greens. Boost your longevity with these powerful foods. Incorporating leafy greens into your daily diet is one of the most effective strategies for promoting longevity. These nutrient-rich powerhouses, including kale, spinach, and collard greens, are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are vital for overall health. First, leafy greens are low in calories yet high in fiber, making them excellent for weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, these greens are rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and cardiovascular function. They also provide folate, crucial for cell division and overall cellular health, potentially lowering the risk of certain cancers. Leafy greens are anti-inflammatory, helping to combat chronic inflammation that can lead to various degenerative diseases. Furthermore, they support brain health, with studies showing that regular consumption can slow cognitive decline. The antioxidants found in leafy greens, like lutein and zeaxanthin, promote eye health and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. By making leafy greens a staple in your meals, you can harness these powerful benefits and pave the way for a longer, healthier life.